Good evening, everyone. It's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts, or good morning, or good afternoon, whenever it is that you are watching this video. I am continuing on making my Valentine DIYs right now using stuff that I have in the house and not buying anything else. I have these two little mini pallets that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take my Waverly antique wax and I'm going to put a coat of that on my pallets, on both of them. I just kind of want a little bit of a stained look. I don't want it too dark, so I'm just gonna put my antique wax on there and then just kind of rub it off. And I'm gonna do pretty much the whole thing, front, back, try to get all these insides. I'm hoping to get all the insides. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done and I'll be back. Okay. Now these are done, which were really kind of a pain to get in all those crevices. Maybe I didn't get it exactly the greatest, but I did the best that I can. There. And next I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two signs, these cardboard signs that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this agave chalk paint from Waverly. And I'm just going to put a coat of that on just the front of these little cardboard words or whatever. So, because to try to go in all these little crevices and stuff would take forever. So I'm just going to try to stay on course as much as I can, not get too much on the sides, and get these painted up. Okay, everything is dry and I am ready to start putting them together. So I am going to take this art glitter glue that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to put that on the back of my forever sign. I'm not going to use hot glue. So I'm just going to dab this on here, and I did get my tip all cleaned out. If you watched my one of my previous videos, it was all gummed up and wasn't coming out. So it's all out now. And then I am going to stick that right on here and hold it for a little bit so it starts to stick. Okay, so the glue is gushing out a little bit on this, but I'm not going to have glue strings like if I would use the hot glue, but that should dry clear so you won't even see that. So I'm going to try, I don't know how this is going to work, but this key is going to get put on here also. The key I got from Amazon, or wait, no, I got it from Temu. That's right. I got this whole big pack of keys from Temu, all different kinds. So I don't know how well this is going to hold. I might have to get hot glue or something stronger for this, but I'm going to give it a shot. So that is going to go right here. Okay, so it seems to be holding. I don't know how well in like the long run it's gonna hold, but it is on there. And then what I'm gonna do is I am gonna take some hemp rope that I have, and that is gonna get wrapped around the top of my sign. So I'm gonna try to use this. Otherwise I'm gonna have to heat up my hot glue gun. Doesn't have like an instant hold, so it's like I kind of have to wait a little bit for it to dry. All right, I think I'm gonna have to heat up my hot glue gun just so I can attach that. My hot glue gun is heated up, and I am going to attach my hemp rope onto here. And then I am going to wrap this around here. Of course, I got that burnt piece right there. Oh well, it'll be fine. All right, and then stick a little hot glue on here. And where's my finger? Right there. And then I'm gonna have to trim this little end off here. All right, that one is finished. So we're gonna set that one over there, and then I'm gonna put my other one together. And I'm going to use the glitter glue on here again. But you know what? Actually, first, I have these little pieces that I got from Temu, and these are going to go in the corners here. Now, I don't know that the glitter glue is going to hold that either, so I'm going to put some of the glitter glue on here. In little spots. And then I'm going to take the hot glue and put it right in this little centerpiece here. And then that is going to go right on here. And then I'm going to put the other one in the other corner down on this side. Okay, so those are on, and now I'm going to attach my hugs onto there. So I'm going to put my glitter glue on my cardboard letters here. This stuff actually works pretty good. I got it for my card making. And I bought it, I don't even know how long ago. It's probably at least 2 years old, and I only used a very small amount in the bottle. And it came with this nice little tip, so I can do really fine things with it. So that is gonna go right in here. Okay, that one is all done. So yeah, I am finished, and that's what I came up with. So yeah, just using stuff from my stash. I think they turned out pretty cute. I don't know about the color choices. I normally don't like this gold bronzish, I can't talk, bronzish color, but I think it looks actually pretty good. So I don't know, please let me know what you think. So anyways, it is all finished, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would love it if you like this video and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a great night, day, morning, afternoon, whatever it is where you are when you're watching this. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.